Welcome back to the Simple Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my vegan red Thai curry paste. And before we move on to the recipe, please click the links given below in the description. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and share it with your friends. Also, read the instructions carefully, follow them. I'm sure you're already doing that. But it is a gentle reminder to you all. Stay home and stay safe. So let's begin with making vegan red Thai curry paste. Before that, I would like to share my cookbook with you. This is my cookbook where I note down all the recipes which I've learned here. And to be very honest, I got this recipe from Google. Also, one of the chefs from a very renowned Thai food chain here, he was kind enough to share some tips and tricks of vegan red Thai curry, as I absolutely love their Thai curry. So he was kind enough to give me some tips. So all you need are some simple ingredients which are easily available everywhere. And those friends who have requested me for the recipe, this is for them. So to begin with, this is ginger. Traditionally you need Thai ginger, that is called as galangal. If you don't have that, like I don't have that, I'm using ginger, fresh red chili and some dry red chilies. So I'm going to use dry red chilies. You can use fresh also. Now this is the game-changing ingredient. This is kaffir lime leaves. These are aromatic, fragrant, and this changes the taste of the curry paste. Now these are garlic cloves, some handful of garlic cloves. Again, these are the garlic cloves which are easily available here, not the Thai ones. Lemongrass stalks. If you don't have lemongrass stalks, you can use lemongrass leaves also. And you can use, if you don't have fresh ones, you can use the dried ones also. One shallot, and you need coriander seeds and black peppers, corns. If you don't have coriander seeds, you can use the powdered form also. And one thing, traditionally they use white pepper in this curry paste, but if you don't have, you can use black pepper. So I don't have white pepper right now, so I'm using black peppercorns. So let's start with the making the paste. And one more thing, traditionally the curry paste is pounded, but I'm going to grind this into in a fruit processor. And to grind this all together, we need some rock salt. If you don't have rock salt or sea salt or coarse salt, you can use table salt, regular table salt also. So let's start. Firstly, what I'll do is we will de-seed the red chilies. So here I'm using red chilies, whichever is available at your home, you can use those. But the purpose of adding red chili is we don't need the hotness, we want the color of it. So what I'm doing is I'm de-seeding the chilies. So by de-seeding, I'm minimizing the hotness, and thus I can add more and more. We can fit in more and more chilies in it, and it gives nice vibrant red color to the curry. One thing which I would like to mention is use bigger red chilies. So the chilies which are bigger in size, they are mild in flavor, so you can use that. Again, you need to de-seed the chilies every time so that you can fit in more and more chilies and reduce the hotness of it. And be careful, if kids are around, please be careful. And if you are allergic to it, please wear gloves or ask somebody to do that. So what I'll do is we will de-seed and we will soak them. And if you want to add, if you don't have dried ones, you can add fresh ones also. Again, you can de-seed the fresh, you can de-seed the chilies and then you can directly grind it. But if you are using the dried ones, what we will do is after de-seeding, we are going to soak it in hot water or for about 15 minutes. Or you can soak it overnight also, but 15 minutes are enough. So by that time, we will work on other ingredients. So as I said, I am using the garlic which is available here. If you are using Thai garlic is a little more pungent and smaller in size. So you can use that if you find that. If you don't have, just go with whatever you have. Literally, it doesn't make difference that much. So, and it is really difficult to find all those Thai ingredients here also. So go with whatever you have. I couldn't find Thai ginger, that is galangal, so I bought ginger only. And if my friends in UK, this is for them, if you look around the grocery stores, you'll get a Thai kit. So in that Thai kit, they give garlic, ginger, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass stalks, coriander, red chilies. Everything is there. So you can bring that kit, and which costs around £1, and it is easy to make curry paste out of it. You can make green and red both. Here I am peeling one shallot, so I just need half of it. What I do is, every time I make curry paste, I make it in bulk so that I can make vegan red curry for next 4 times at least. And you can preserve the curry paste in an airtight container for about 20 days or even a month, so it stays fresh. And I always do that actually. And I'll roughly chop the shallot because I'm going to grind it, so chopping doesn't matter that much. Also, all the non-vegetarian friends, this is for them, that you can add shrimp paste to it. But if you are non-vegetarian and you're making vegan curry, you can add miso paste also. But see, I am not using miso paste here because just for the sake of this curry paste, I won't buy the entire bottle of it, so I'm avoiding it. But you can add miso paste to the curry paste. Or else, if you are non-vegetarian, you can add shrimp paste. What I'm doing is, I am roughly just tearing the lime leaves. If you don't find lime leaves, you can add kaffir lime zest. And if you don't find the fresh ones, dried ones are easily available in the supermarkets in India also. And lemongrass stalks, of course, it is available in every household. What I'll do is, I'll roughly chop them. You have to use the root part also. And if you don't have the root part, you can use leaves, or you can use the dried lemongrass. Even dried lemongrass works. This recipe is especially for those who have messaged me asking me to share the recipe for vegan red Thai curry paste and vegan red Thai curry. So I am sharing the recipe for curry also. You can check the link in the description, or else you can watch the video at the end of this recipe. What I'm doing is, in a grinder, I am firstly adding coriander seeds and black peppercorns and salt, and we'll coarsely grind it. So I'll show you. This is how you have to coarsely grind the ingredients. If you don't have the seeds, you can add powder, so you can use powder. Now next, I will grind garlic, ginger, this is ginger. So you need to grind with everything step by step, because each ingredient takes its own time. And now I will add lemongrass stalks also. So yes, and one more thing, you don't need to add water while grinding, because what these ingredients will get coarsely grinded into its own juices, so you don't need water. Okay, so please don't add water. And yeah, see, now I'll coarsely grind it, and I'll show it to you. See, now that's how. Let me show you. I'll scrape this out. That's how you need, exactly like this. So as I said, every ingredient takes its own time. So see, lemongrass stalks, ginger, garlic, these are a little bit more hard ingredients, so grind it first, then add the soft ingredients. Like onion can get easily grinded quickly, it gets quickly grinded, so add onion later. So now I'm adding onion, and this is not onion, actually this is shallot, the small onion, and kaffir lime leaves. One thing is kaffir lime leaves are the game changer. These are aromatic and adds beautiful fragrance to the curry paste and to the curry also. And now we'll grind it again and I'll show you. And please make sure that you don't add water in it, because the ingredients get grinded into its own juices. You don't need water, and if you're adding water you can't preserve the paste for a longer time. Now we will add chilies. So what I'll do is I will discard the water, the soaked water, and I will, because if you are adding water along with the water, as I've mentioned, the water makes the chilies hot, the paste hot, and B, if you're adding water to the curry paste, the paste won't, its shelf life reduces. It won't stay fresh for a longer time. So yeah, now I've discarded the water and I've added the swelled red chili to the grinder, and we'll make a paste of it again. So now, because the chilies are already swelled, it will get easily mixed with all the ingredients, and you really don't need to add water in it. And again, you need to coarsely grind it. And one thing which I forgot is these are cilantro stems or coriander stems. So traditionally in the curry paste you need cilantro roots, coriander roots. But here we don't get coriander with roots, we get with stems only. So I'm using the stems, but if in India it's easily available, coriander roots, you get coriander bunch along with the roots. So what you do is wash the roots properly with water thoroughly and chop it and then add it to the paste. And if you don't have roots, what you do is take the stems, just a handful of 7-8 stems. I've washed it already, and add it to the paste, blend it, grind it, and that's it. This is the last ingredient, and it changes the entire flavor again. And the red Thai curry paste is ready. This is vegan red Thai curry paste, and you can add miso paste to it if you want, and if you're non-vegetarian then you can add shrimp paste to it. And take a sterilized jar or bottle, an airtight container, and we will preserve this paste for about, I can preserve this for about a month also. It stays fresh actually, and you don't need to add oil or water or anything else. So yeah, and I'll take it out into a jar, and it was quick, easy, and all the ingredients are literally easily available at home. Only one thing which I think you won't find is kaffir lime leaves. It is really difficult, but if you look, you may find the leaves as well. If you find Thai basil, you can add Thai basil to this paste also. And I hope you like the recipe. It's very simple. So all those friends who have requested me the recipe, please give it a try. I am sharing the recipe for vegan red curry also using this paste only. So just go through the link in the description, or at the end of this video you can watch the recipe for vegan red curry also. I hope you like the recipe. It was really quick, aromatic, fragrant, freshly made red vegan Thai curry is ready. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, try the recipe, comment, and also share it with your friends, and watch the video for vegan red curry also. I'm sharing the links in the description, and happy cooking.